If you're marksman main, here are some marksman survival guide. Tip 6. Right spell. Right game. Flicker equals escape. Inspire equals delete. Purify equals anti-choke. Tip 7. Kills don't matter if you die. Chasing kills is MM. Enjoy the gray screen. Tip 8. Change that build. Don't be stubborn. Tanks exist, so should your build. Tip 9. Assassins are always watching. You're their prey. Walk alone, and it's GG. 10. Late game is your time. If you're fed and alive, the game is over for them.